Best Doctors Insurance is the leading international health insurance company in Latin America, the Caribbean, and Canada. E-Claims Submission Tutorial. At Best Doctors Insurance, we work with providers and agents around the world to offer our members excellent care in their time of need. It is important to file a claim shortly after treatment to ensure timely processing. To file a claim, use our recently enhanced BD2go app, available for both iPhone and Android in the Apple Store and Google Play Store. To use the app, an account must be created through the member portal. Submission through the BD2go app. Home displays policy details and the different options available through the BD2go app. My Claims Step 1. Select a member. My Claims Step 2. View submitted claims and submit a new claim. My Claims Step 3. Displays the agreement to submit a new claim. Claim form. Upload a claim, enter provider details, and upload bills. Type of payment. Choose the type of payment requested for your reimbursement. Summary. Review the information to verify before submitting the claim. You can follow up on the status of your claim by visiting the Claim Status tab. If you need assistance with your claim submission, please contact us at bdservice@bestdoctorsinsurance.com for individual policies, or at bdgroups@bestdoctorsinsurance.com for corporate groups. Best Doctors Insurance. Excellence, certainty, experience.